Welcome to Kids Planet Corner. Hello kids! Today we will learn daily use English words with sentences. Be ready! Let's start! I wake up early every day.
I wake up early every day.
The sun rising looks so beautiful.
The sun rising looks so beautiful.
I brush my teeth every day.
I brush my teeth every day.
I wash my face and feel fresh.
I wash my face and feel fresh.
I comb my hair before school.
I comb my hair before school.
I eat breakfast before school.
I eat breakfast before school.
I drink milk daily in breakfast.
I drink milk daily in breakfast.
I drink juice daily in evening.
I drink juice daily in evening.
I wear clean clothes every day.
I wear clean clothes every day.
I wear shoes before going out.
I wear shoes before going out.
I pack my school bag every night.
I pack my school bag every night.
I go to school by bus.
I go to school by bus.
I share my toys with friends.
I share my toys with friends.
The bell rings when school ends.
The bell rings when school ends.
My teacher is very kind.
My teacher is very kind.
I like reading storybooks.
I like reading storybooks.
I write neatly in my notebook.
I write neatly in my notebook.
I love drawing pictures.
I love drawing pictures.
We must listen to the teacher.
We must listen to the teacher.
I raise my hand to ask a question.
I raise my hand to ask a question.
I play with friends in the park.
I play with friends in the park.
We laugh and play in the playground.
We laugh and play in the playground.
I check my homework before bed.
I check my homework before bed.
I go home with my friends.
I go home with my friends.
I see my mother and smile.
I see my mother and smile.
I hug my father when he comes home.
I hug my father when he comes home.
I am eating a healthy snack.
I am eating a healthy snack.
I love playing with toys.
I love playing with toys.
I watch TV for a short time.
I watch TV for a short time.
I am helping my mother in the kitchen.
I am helping my mother in the kitchen.
We eat together at the table.
We eat together at the table.
Talking to family makes me happy.
Talking to family makes me happy.
I clean my room every day.
I clean my room every day.
Mom tells me to take a bath daily.
Mom tells me to take a bath daily.
I listen to a bedtime story every night.
I listen to a bedtime story every night.
I turn off the light before sleeping.
I turn off the light before sleeping.
Sweet dreams make me smile.
Sweet dreams make me smile.
The moon is bright tonight. The moon is bright tonight. I see a star twinkle at night.
I see a star twinkle at night.
I feel sleepy after dinner.
I feel sleepy after dinner.
The sun sun is up. Good morning.
The sun is up. Good morning.
I am playing with my toy car.
I am playing with my toy car.
I say good afternoon to my teacher.
I say good afternoon to my teacher.
Nice to meet my new teacher.
Nice to meet my new teacher.
I eat lunch after playing.
I eat lunch after playing.
Good evening. It's time to rest.
Good evening. It's time to rest.
I miss you, Mom.
I miss you, Mom.
We plan fun activities for the weekend.
We plan fun activities for the weekend.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I play games and have fun today.
I play games and have fun today.
I had an amazing trip with my family.
I had an amazing trip with my family.
I enjoy book reading every day.
I enjoy book reading every day.
I wear gloves in cold weather.
I wear gloves in cold weather.
Painting is my favorite hobby.
Painting is my favorite hobby.
I'm playing new game with my cousins.
I am playing new game with my cousins.
This is my new pet cat.
This is my new pet cat.
I love drawing pictures.
I love drawing pictures.
I kick the ball while playing football.
I kick the ball while playing football.
Playing outside makes me happy.
Playing outside makes me happy.
I dance while listening to music.
I dance while listening to music.
Watching cartoon makes me laugh.
Watching cartoons makes me laugh.
I play the piano every day.
I play the piano every day.
I love hiking in the hills.
I love hiking in the hills.
I love playing basketball.
I love playing basketball.
I wear goggles for swimming.
I wear goggles for swimming.
I love eating pizza.
I love eating pizza.
Kids, I hope you have learned different sentences that we speak in our daily routine life. Practice them and speak English confidently. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, click the bell icon.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye, kids.